Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone meets basics, Android 8, 0 or newer and at least 500 MB free. Once done, enable app installs from Play Store or unknown sources so you can add a launcher and lock screen app. You should download a well-reviewed iOS-style lock app plus an iOS-themed launcher. This combo gives the correct widgets, shortcuts, and visual assets you'll need. Make sure permissions for overlays, notifications, and device admin are allowed so the lock app can function properly. Next, you configure the look so it matches iPhone lock behavior. Set the new launcher as default. Apply an iOS icon pack and grid to align icons. Then open the lock screen app, grant overlay and notification access, and place the iOS-style clock and swipe widgets on the lock layout. Once done, fine-tune wallpaper, font size, and clock positioning so elements don't overlap. Make sure the lock app has device admin if you want PIN/biometric protection to work. To finish, test lock behavior. Lock the screen and try swipe up for passcode and swipe left for camera. If the app supports Control Center, test that pull-down area. Then enable biometrics or a PIN inside the lock app so unlocking matches your security needs. Finally, restart the phone, verify notifications appear on the custom lock screen, and watch battery usage for 24 hours. If gestures fail, clear overlay permissions and re-enable them. That fix resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.